Hello everyone and welcome to another Linux tutorial. Today we will talk about the command line in Linux. How can you be a command line ninja in Linux? First of all, you need to type faster, and in order to type faster you need the tabulus. For example, if I type fin and then use the tab, then it auto completes the word. So the system tries to guess what I want to type, and this will save you a lot of time. And if there is more than one command available, for example, if I type host and there is more than one command available, then I type twice the tab, and then I take all the possible commands that I can type. It also works with files. For example, if we create 3 files, file 1, 2, 3, and we tab with the cat command, we will see all of them. Let's do it. For example, that's file 1, file 2, file 3, and then you type file, and you can see all of them here. Or you can use the cat command, cat, and you can see which one of them you can see, or cat fee, and then you can see the files and so on. So in order to repeat commands, you use the bank. For example, if we want to add a user, let's say we want to add the user Mike, and we forget the sudo, then it's frustrating to always write the same command using the sudo. You just can use the bang exclamation mark twice, and it's done. So the user add Mike, and then you need to just type the password, your password, and then it will automatically create the user Mike. And as you can see, you can also choose his password and his full name, Mike, work phone, home phone, other. Is the information correct? And you say yes, and it's done. If you press tail and then see the last user that was created, you can see the user Mike with everything, with all the details. The same goes for the user del. If we want to delete Mike, what did I mistype? User del, then the permission was denied, and you can do the same thing with the bang. So twice a bang runs the most recent command, and you can also check it with ls. As you can see, I can do it as many times I want. So bang. It does the ls command, my last command. The single bus, the single bang, is to run the previous commands. For example, if I used the ls command, the ls command starts with L. This is the first letter. So if we type the bang L, then it will execute the last command I typed that starts with L here. If I typed who am I, the uptime, the F8 for example, and then I clear. So if I say bang de, then I take the df8. If I say bang and then the w, I will say the who am I. If I say bang u, I will take the uptime, and bang c, the last command that starts with a C was the clear, and voila, it was cleared. So to use all of the arguments from the previous command in the current command, you use the bang and then the star. For example, you can touch file 4 file 5, file 4, file 5, and file 6 here. Now I created some files, and I want these arguments. I want the file 4, 5, 6. So I can use the following, and I can see these 3 files, or I can vim these 3 files like that. And this is the first one. This is the second one. This is the first one. Sorry. And you vim these files. Or you can cut the 3 files. Let's see here. Or you can also the fact is that at the second I did press the Q, which was the quit, so I didn't write anything to the third one. Or you can move all of them using the move, bang, and then the star, and you can move them there, or change their permissions to 700, for example. Or you can also do it with grep, or just remove them. You can also remove these little things. So if you say ls, you can see that you don't have them anymore. You did delete them. So this is how you can do your life really easier using the command line in Linux. I will see you in the next lesson. Thank you all for watching.